Hello folks, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back again with our latest update. This is the weather analysis for this July 30 to August 1 edition. Tuesday to Thursday, English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the premier educational institution in the Bicol region and Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat we issued today, Tuesday, until tomorrow, Wednesday, July 31st, last day of July. And we have still the southwest monsoon blowing across the West Philippine Sea, affecting Vietnam, southern China, and the western sections of Luzon. So there will be some breezy conditions of winds of up to 30 to 50 kph, and some thunderstorms will also be expected across the western coastal areas of the Luzon from Ilocos region, the western sections of central Luzon. Meanwhile, the rest of the archipelago will have good weather, but in the afternoon and evening we expect these rain showers and thunderstorms to occur, which is part of the rainy or wet season. And the low pressure systems, those multiple LPAs outside the PAR, it's no longer there. Okay, so we are free or clear of any developing LPAs as of this time. All the way up to the Marshall Islands, we have a surface trough here, but nothing to worry. We have a building high pressure ridge, ridge of high pressure area, bringing some good weather in the vicinity of Okinawa, moving slowly south. That's why we are experiencing this some sort of good weather across our country, and the winds are light, calm. Okay, so just watch out for lightning strikes, possible flooding in the usual low-lying areas and landslide-prone areas of the country whenever we have this severe thunderstorm occurring. Okay, and that's the latest as we move into the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. There you go. Afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Okay. Appearing during the afternoon and evening, and it's all quiet across the western Pacific as we are experiencing some dry phase of the Madden-Julian oscillation. This is the intervariable climate conditions where in every 45 days we're experiencing increasing rain or wet conditions and dry conditions as well. But right now we're moving into that phase of dry conditions. That's why we are devoid of any tropical cyclone formation. So most likely during the middle of August until the last week of that month. So likely during the middle of August until the 30th, we might be seeing this formation of tropical cyclones once again after the so-called dry phase of this Madden-Julian oscillation. So once the wet phase returns, we expect another formation of tropical cyclones here over the western Pacific. Although we are looking at a formation of a tropical cyclone somewhere here over the middle latitude areas of the western Pacific during the next 5 to 10 days, but it's far away from our country. Okay, and if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation during tonight It's already almost 12 midnight, and we are still seeing some thunderstorms over Cordillera Administrative Region, Benguet, Ifugao, Ilocos, Aurora, Quirino, and also here over Bulacan, Pampanga, Bataan. But these are short-lived thunderstorms, as well as here over Camarines Norte, Partido District, and across various sections of Mindanao. And here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. And by tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon, we expect calm conditions to variable winds across the Philippine Islands, except for the West Philippine Sea and the coastal waters, including the coastal areas where light to moderate southwesterly monsoonal flow will continue. Okay, especially over the Panatag Shoal and the Spratly Islands, wherein the Calayan Island group is located. So here in the Philippine Islands, when we have calm conditions, vertical development of thunderstorms will be expected in the afternoon or evening, just like we said a few slides ago. Now, on the first day of August until the second day, okay, we expect some change of the wind system. There might be a surge of the southwesterly monsoonal flow over the western Pacific in the vicinity of western Micronesia up to the Marianas, due to the development of a subtropical low pressure system here over the south portion, or over the sea south of Japan, while here it's still quiet across the Philippine Islands. As for the rain, it looks like the usual afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across various sections of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, including Mimaropa. Thursday afternoon, same situation until Friday afternoon. So we expect these usual thunderstorms to occur. And if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, this is the 3-day total rainfall. Most of the rainfall are, of course, the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao area. There might be over the Bicol region and small areas of Macopa. And so far, that's the weather situation across our country. For the wave forecast, everything is fine, quiet, and light, suitable for fishing and sea travel, as you can see here. Today, Tuesday, Wednesday until Thursday and Friday, we expect this kind of very pleasant waves, okay, across the coastal areas of our country. Over the East Philippine Sea, wave heights is around 0.5 to almost 1 meter. Over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, calm conditions to almost 0.5 meters will be expected. And over the West Philippine Sea, 0.5 meters to around 1 meter in wave height will be expected. So it's everything is quiet. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday evening, and we will return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying have a great week, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.